Hello, this is mathjazz from Almost Cool. This is our first video in our series of derivative quiz videos. Our topic today is the power product and quotient rules. If you're unfamiliar with any of these rules, I recommend going to our derivative series and watching the videos on these topics before watching this video. Question 1. Find the derivatives of the following functions. A. f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x minus 14. B. g of x equals x plus 2 divided by x squared minus x minus 3. C. h of x equals x squared minus 1 times x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 3. Question 2. Find the tangent line for f of x if f of x equals x divided by x plus 1 at x equals 2. You should pause the video now and work out the solutions to these on your own, because we're moving on to the solutions for questions 1 and 2 now. 1a. Find the derivative of f of x when f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x minus 14. We use the power rule on each of the terms in this polynomial, and we get the derivative f prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 10. B. To find the derivative of g of x, we will use the quotient rule, which requires us to find the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of the numerator is 1, and the derivative of the denominator is 2x minus 1. Both of these are obtained with the power rule. Plugging the numerator, the denominator, 1, and 2x minus 1 into the quotient rule, we get g prime of x equals x squared minus x minus 3 times 1 minus x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 3 squared. We could simplify this, but that's an algebraic manipulation, and this quiz is on derivatives and derivative rules. So we'll leave the answer in this form and leave the reducing of rational functions and the combining of like terms and foiling and all of that to another video on algebraic expressions. 1c. Find the derivative of h of x when h of x equals x squared minus 1 times x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 3. We'll use the product rule to find the derivative of this function. We have to find the derivative of x squared minus 1 and x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 3 to use the product rule, and we obtain that those derivatives are 2x and 3x squared plus 8x minus 1 respectively. We will now plug these functions and these derivatives into the product rule to get that h prime of x is equal to 2x times x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 3 plus x squared minus 1 times 3x squared plus 8x minus 1. Question 2. Find the tangent line for f of x equals x divided by x plus 1 at x equals 2. Using the quotient rule, we find the derivative of h, and that derivative is 1 over x plus 1 squared. Plugging 2 into the derivative gives us the slope of our tangent line, and plugging 2 into our function gives us the y-coordinate of the point of intersection of the tangent line with the function. So we calculate f prime of 2 and get 1/9. Or we calculate f of 2 and get 2/3. Since we know the slope of the line is 1/9, and the line passes through the point 2 2/3, using our point-slope form of the equation of a line, we get that y minus 2/3 equals 1/9 times x minus 2 is the equation for the tangent line of our function at the point x equals 2. Thank you for watching this video. My contact information is on the screen now. Feel free to email suggestions on topics for videos, ask questions, give comments, find errors, or I guess inform me of errors you found, or for anything else. I hope that you're enjoying learning calculus. I hope that you found that you are understanding the product, quotient, and power rules by taking this test yourself. And I hope that you have a great day. Bye!